The Bevel Modifier is great for creating rounded edges non-destructively. Go to the Modifier tab, click Add Modifier, go to Generate, and then select Bevel. Just like the Bevel tool in Edit mode, you can bevel vertices or edges. You can adjust the amount of the bevel, you can adjust the segments, and you can adjust the profile. You can also make custom profiles. In the geometry section, you can change the outer or the inner miter. Then you can adjust the spread. You can change the intersections from grid fill or to cut off. In the shading section, you can harden normals, mark seams or sharp, and you can change the material index. The way the material index works is if you add multiple materials to an object, the material index will show the other materials. Sometimes using the Bevel modifier is preferable over using Bevel in Edit. Give it a try on your models.